You know what?
What?
You do not want to be the guy that's constantly asked to bring the solo cups and the paper plates to the party.
That's true.
And today's dish is going to help people not be that person anymore. What are we making today?
We are making fire roasted salsa. It's amazing. You'll want to stick around for that.
Okay, here we go, fire roasted salsa. It's gonna be delicious. I've already cut up some of my vegetables. I've got a poblano pepper that I've cut and seeded, cut in half so I can flip that over on both sides on the grill. I just want everything to get a good smoky char and flavor on the grill. I've got this garlic here that's encased in its paper. I'm gonna leave it in that paper. That's kind of important. You don't wanna burn the garlic, and a jalapeno that I left half the seeds in. If you want it extra hot, put another jalapeno in there, but that's what we're going with for our family. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and put this on the grill, get the charcoal good and hot, get a good sear, not sear I wouldn't say, but roast those tomatoes real good. And they'll look burnt, they'll have some char to them. If you don't have a grill, don't worry, you can do it in your oven. Just put it on broil, put it on the tallest rack in your oven, and just keep an eye on it, and you wanna get that same char that you'll see me have on these vegetables when I come back.
Sean just brought the vegetables in, and oh my goodness, look how beautiful a char is on all of those vegetables. That is amazing. I can even smell the smoke. That's why we like to do it on the grill, because the oven's great and it'll work great. But I just like that smoky grill flavor that comes with it as well. Now don't forget, we have these this garlic, and we had the encasing of the garlic that we kept on it while it was on the grill. So make sure and take that off before we go to this next process. So I'm using my KitchenAid. I love this, it's fabulous. I'll go ahead and put a link below if you're looking for a really good food processor. But this is the one that we use, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this in a couple rounds because we have a lot of vegetables, and we wanna make sure that each, as we blend it and pulse it, that we get a really good mixture. And I'll go ahead and put the first batch in, and then I'll do a second batch as well. So go ahead and add half of what has been grilled. So I'm gonna put one of the poblanos, some of these onions, some of these garlic in as well. Garlic, I love garlic. I know I say that every video, but you can tell I cook with a lot of garlic. So as you can see, that's pretty full right there. We're gonna go ahead, and I think that's probably what I'll be doing for the first round. Now you're gonna add some other ingredients to it. As you can see here, I have some olive oil, and make sure and look below for all the ingredients and the measurements. We'll also have some kosher salt. Now I'm gonna salt this now, but just know that once it cools and the flavors really marry really well, I will probably add some more salt or garlic salt to it at the end, but you won't really be able to taste that until it's been married and cooled in your refrigerator for a little bit. And then we also have some cumin. So add some cumin to the mixture. And some lime. You're gonna add one whole lime. Now let me tell you, Sean and I are from Texas, so we have been privy to really good Mexican food, really good Tex-Mex food as well. And so we're kind of snobs. I mean, when we go out of town and we go to a Mexican food, even when we're in town and we go to a Mexican food restaurant, we're snobs, and we know what we like. And trust me, we tested this and we've eaten this, and this is the real deal right here. It is good stuff. And the last thing that I'm gonna add to it is some cilantro. I'll probably add half of it here and probably half of it with the next round, just because it looks like we're pretty full right now. And we're just gonna mix it all up. Put the lid on that processor. All right, that looks nice. It looks like a couple of the cilantro didn't quite make it on that one. But look at this texture, Sean. It's really good. Do you like that, or you think I should do it a little bit more for you? I know you like it a little more runny than I do.
Oh, it's good.
I'm gonna actually have a little taste. And then what we'll do is, once we're done with this, we're gonna put it in the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and mix and do the same thing I did the first time. I don't need to add the extra, olive oil and the salt and all that to the second round, but we're gonna put them all together, mix it up. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and we're gonna let it cool and marry. And then if I need to add a little more seasoning, I will. I'll go ahead and make sure and put that at the bottom as well. But I'm gonna have a little taste right now and see how this is. The flavors. Oh my goodness. Sean, you gotta taste this. Actually, let me put it on the little chip for you.
Is it good?
It's really good. It's the real deal, babe. I mean, this is the real deal.
Wow, filming. I don't know.
That's good stuff. If you like these kind of videos, if you want to see more, please subscribe. We'd love for you to be a part of the family. See you next time.